Welcome back. We are now going to generate the speech inside the speech synthesis area in 11 Labs, and we're going to hear the speech in real time.
How to create faceless videos to sell as an information product. Creating faceless videos is a great way to share your knowledge and generate income, especially if you're camera shy or prefer to stay behind the scenes. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create high-quality faceless videos and sell them as information products. Choosing your niche. The first step is to choose your niche. Think about what you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Popular niches include technology tutorials, cooking demos, money advice, and fitness routines. Pick a niche that has a high demand for information products, ensuring that your content will attract an audience. Script writing tips. A well-written script is the backbone of any successful video. Start by outlining your main points to create a clear and simple structure. Keep your language easy to understand. Make sure to include a strong hook at the beginning to grab your audience's attention. A good script helps maintain a smooth flow and ensures you cover all essential information. Recording techniques. When it comes to recording, you have several options. Screen recording software is perfect for showing processes on your computer. Pair this with a high-quality microphone to ensure clear audio. Remember, good audio is just as important as good visuals. If your video requires voiceover, practice speaking clearly and at a steady pace. Editing and production tips. Editing is where your video truly comes together. Use editing software to cut out any mistakes and enhance your video with transitions, text overlays, and graphics. This not only makes your video more engaging, but also gives it a professional touch. Tools like basic video editors can be very effective. Platforms for selling your videos. Once your video is ready, it's time to sell it. There are several platforms where you can host and sell your videos, such as online course websites and digital marketplaces. Each platform has its own features and fee structures, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Make sure to research each platform to understand their audience and pricing models. Conclusion and call to action. Creating faceless videos is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and create a stream of income. Start by choosing your niche, writing a strong script, recording high-quality audio, and editing your video to perfection. Then, choose a platform to sell your product. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and visit our website for additional resources.
Now, as you can see, the AI read the script accurately. However, it appears to be reading the spaces as if we wanted to pause. What we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to eliminate some of the spacing to see if we can get the AI to read it in a more straightforward manner, as well as to remove the words and call to action from this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.